Up for sale is a big body 1976 El Camino with the 350 in it.
And the thing about it,
it's in great condition and sitting up.
If I found some bastard that was interested in something rather than talking,
he said I'll be willing to make a deal. When he said everybody else just want to talk. And this is the big body one. This is my friend, Mr. Al.
now what I was going to say, when you see something hot, these are the original hubcaps. Those original hubcaps.
Clean them up, put some good tires on there, leave them on there.
In 76.
Leave them on there. I clean them up, put them right back on there with some good tires. We're going to ride. You know, I throw a welder in the back of this thing. Hit a couple blocks like this is the welding rig on them. Like, what? Yeah, that's how we doing it. Yeah, it's nice.
It used to have a leather top. That's the only thing different with it.
Oh, it had the leather top and you took the top off of it.
The boys painted it in my shop.
Man, this thing is in mint condition, man.
I said, no, let's take the leather off. We took the leather off and painted it.
I want you to see that. Hit me up. HogOn.